Hello, it's Flo, and today I have already tested the Sabsa Prime, and now I am testing the Sabsa Bliss. So, what is the difference between the two different ROM developed by the Sabsa team? The Sabsa Prime is based on the Android ice cream sandwich with the version of HTC Sense 4.0, and this one is Sense 3.6. So this is different, and I think people who prefer the Sense version 3.6 will be so happy because this ROM is very smooth and very easy to use. You have maybe seen a lot of things is working very well. I have to say to you that it's worked very well, and I prefer Sense 3.6 for different reasons. First one is you have an infinite scroll, and this is something amazing. You have maybe seen it's still not it's still smooth and it's not lagging, so this is just cool. You have something like that, you can just have the pinch up thing, and this is not on Sense 4 as good as that. Okay, so I have to say different things. Thanks to seeing this video, thanks to all the team, because there is not only iOS, there is iOS, but there is also HTC. There is Blackout, Venom, Pasha, Football, and all other people working on different custom ROM and having helped iOS to do that. Okay, so let's go to test it. When we go to the drawer, we have this style of drawer. This is cool. We have also the frequent apps and the download. You have seen maybe it's some different as the Sense 4, and the Sense 3.6 is very good and has nothing to enjoy by the Sense 4. Okay, so camera is working. Okay, you have to press there to focus. You can add the flash or not, and let's take a picture. So there is glitches, but this is because I am using some lights to record videos. Okay, so what I have to say again, there is gallery. This is the Sense 3.6 gallery, and it's like maybe Sense 4.0, but this is cool. I have seen maybe there is Beats audio, so let's go to test it, and let's go to music. There we have to connect an input there, and let's go to play a song. For example, this one. Okay, there. Okay, we have volume measure here, and Beats is not activated. You can disable it. I have seen very quick settings, so I will be back just to that soon. You can change volume by this button, go to the library, and change different things. So there is music with Sense version 3.6. Okay, now what is cool? On this version you also have the quick settings, and you can set different settings there. So let's go to personalize display, and we can do a lot of things there. We have, for example, we have also developer option. On personalize, we have the Sense 3.6 personalized. We have the widget, all different widgets are there. We can just see the entire HTC widget. There is H8 widget, so this is just very cool. Okay, what can I say? There is different apps, shortcut. On the display, you can change different scene. So there is the HTC Current, the social, or the entertainment. You can apply that. On skin, you can also change it by turquoise or olivine, for example. I have maybe to try, I don't know. There is different color you have seen on messages and other things. You can change the wallpaper. You have the HTC wallpaper, and this is from the Sense 3.6, and they are just so pretty. Okay, you have lots of shortcuts there. So this is this way. You have to turn on your phone there, and you have different shortcuts as personalized, camera, or internet. To change that, you have just to change different apps there. So let's go to drag it here, or change music, and let's do music there. Okay, so maybe there is okay, music has just been set there. We have to change it here, and now we have our shortcuts just here, just there. Okay, and we have to play music like that. Okay, can we just try to create a folder? We have to try to create folder there. This is a little bit difficult, and we can't create folder, so maybe on next version we will be able to do that. Okay, if I just have three different things, the one stay like that. Okay, So a lot of things is working. You have something there to see mail so fast, messages too, music, okay, so camera too, and Play Store. You have seen maybe when the labels just not as open the first time you press, they just open and close as fast. So maybe something like that could be changed on the next version. Okay. I have to show you maybe a lot of things. Recent tabs are just there. What are the key button? With long press you have the recent tabs for ice cream sandwich, not sense, but ice cream sandwich. With a long press on menu you have nothing, but you have settings and personalize there. And with a long press on search you have a search by voice. Okay, so this is working very well. Let me just 1 second test something. Oh, okay. So we must have the river there, but I have no connection. You have seen this is just so smooth, and for an HTC Desire HD with Sense 3.6, this is just amazing, and I really like that. You have a lot of application. Maybe we have to wait for next version to be able to delete it on Aroma installer, as for the Prima, the Sabsa Prime, for example, because you can remove different apps with Sabsa Prime. I hope on next version it could be able to do that. Okay, so this custom ROM impressed me because it's just very smooth, very beautiful, and all people like me are waiting that from a custom ROM. So thanks to the team to have developed that, and just continue like that to develop the folder, change that. Different bugs maybe could be have with network connection, and maybe this thing when you open it for the first time, it open and close. So thanks again to have seen this video. Thanks to the team to have developed this custom ROM, and let's go to continue the amazing adventure with our HTC Desire HD. That's flow.